Transferring money from your Questrade account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Questrade account. Visit Questrade's website or use the mobile app to log in with your username and password. Go to the Withdrawal section. From the main dashboard, select the Accounts tab. Click on Withdraw Funds or Transfer Funds under the Account Actions. Choose your withdrawal method. Select Electronic Funds Transfer for direct transfer to your bank account. Ensure your bank account is already linked to your Questrade account. If not, you will need to link it first. Alternatively, you can choose wire transfer for larger sums, but this may come with additional fees. Enter withdrawal details. Specify the amount you want to withdraw. Choose the destination bank account. Confirm any additional information, such as the transfer purpose. Review and confirm. Double-check the withdrawal details. Click Submit to finalize the transfer request. Wait for processing. EFT transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Wire transfers may take longer.